Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to cite a book and an encyclopedia article, and this is specifically for the News Ballad project. Okay, so first of all, I have a book. This is one of the books on the cart, and so let's say I've taken some notes from it. If you do that, make sure you write down the page number you're using. And this is a book, this is not an encyclopedia set. So this book is a standalone book. It's not volume 1 or volume 8, standalone book. Okay, so here's the name of the book. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to EasyBib. And on the select book, and you want to make sure you get the name of it. So notice the title is Living in Elizabethan England, and the author is Myra Weatherly. Okay, so I need that. So I'm going to put that in and make sure it comes up right. And that looks like that's it. Okay, so so notice this, none of this stuff applies, but you will have the page number as your parenthetical citation. So right now you're just going to be using the whole book, and you're just going to hit create citation, and you double check that looks right, and it does. Okay, so what about this other set? You should recognize this set if you use any of the copies that I made. Then most of those were from this set. And so the title of the set is Renaissance. Okay, now when we go over to EasyBib, we want to click on all 59 options, and we would do encyclopedia article. Now usually this works great, but we have a problem this time. Namely, when we do Renaissance, and we know from here that the publication date is 2002, and we know it's from Groyer, but we notice here that none of the ones that show up say anything about Groyer, and it's not the correct year. So even when we scroll down towards the bottom, we're having an issue. So what can we do then? Well, you notice here, and I'm on the Amazon site, and on the back of the book there is an ISBN number. Now you want that ISBN number because one cool thing about EasyBib is that it allows you to search by ISBN number. So I'm still in the same thing on citing an encyclopedia, and now I've done I've typed this in, and all of a sudden it comes up right. Now why I couldn't search that before, I don't really know. Okay, now this is where I'm going to put in the article title, and so you should have written this down. This is the title of the article that you're using. So let's say it was Arms and Armor, and these specific articles do not have specific authors. Then I would need to put down whatever volume it's in. So let's say this is volume 1, and let's say it was on page 14 and ended on page 18. I'm not sure that's right, but anyway, and then you'll hit create citation, and we want to see if that looks right, and it does. And that's all there is to it. So any questions, please ask Miss Smithfield.